Hugo Calderano, the national hero of Brazil in table tennis. Hugo Calderano has already become a national hero in Brazil. Not just because of his victories, but because of his spirit, his fight, and the way he represents his country. In a sport traditionally dominated by China, Hugo has carved out a space for Brazil and South America at the very top of world table tennis. He conquered the unreachable, gold at the World Cup and silver at the World Championships. That's something no other South American player has ever done. And he didn't take the easy route. To reach the final in Doha 2025, Hugo had to beat 3 top Chinese players, including Liang Jingkun. Even though he lost to Wang Chuqin in the final, he showed heart, power, and resilience throughout the tournament. After the match, messages flooded social media. Hugo do Brasil, Maximo Respeito. You achieved what was once unreachable. To us, you will always be number one. Hugo, you keep writing your name in history. You are a giant. These are not just words. This is national pride. Hugo has become a symbol of resilience and excellence. He came back from a difficult season, became World Cup champion, and now World Championship runner-up. 2 finals in 1 month. That's more than a medal. It's legacy. In his own words, Hugo admitted he wasn't 100% in the final. The match against Jingkun drained him physically, and he couldn't play at his usual explosive level, but he fought until the end. He made no excuses. He praised Wang Chuqin's consistency and strength. That's the attitude of a true champion. Brazil has every reason to be proud. Hugo Calderano is not just the greatest table tennis player the country has ever seen. He's already a legend, and his journey is far from over. For Brazil, Hugo is gold. Hugo is history in the making.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.